everyone! Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with the Elements. Today's segment, Healthy Portion, we will be cooking today is fried plantain. Now you want to cook this on high until bubbles start to form. So the plantain is fried. Now as it's frying, we're going to prepare a drink. Now because this is a very healthy show, we will be preparing green tea. Yum!
Fumi, you know green tea isn't just water with the leaf.
Hey, I also added sugar. You can't see it because it dissolved inside the water. Back to the plantain. Now, once it turns golden brown, you flip. Now, on the side, we will be cooking our main course. You can't forget the meats. Stop it. Doesn't it look delicious? The plantains are ready. Doesn't it look a little bit more edible? So we put the meats in the stew that we prepared earlier, and now we will be placing it on the right. Now, as we are almost done this week's segment of Cooking with the Elements, it's time for everyone's favorite part, when we label the physical and chemical changes of the food that we prepare. Starting with the plantain. The plantain used to look like this, but we cut it up. That is a physical change. Then we put it in the hot oil and an odor was formed and the color changed. Those are chemical changes. We also saw that bubbles started to form in the hot oil. That is a chemical change as well. The green tea that I made was also a physical change because the sugar dissolved inside the water. And don't you forget the water vapor that was produced as a result of the water heating up. Physical change! Look closely, the meat that we made also changed color when it was being heated up. That is a chemical change. That concludes this week's segment of Cooking with the Elements.